So I think it means a lot to us. I think for e-commerce we can easy to apply it. For MT and GT, it's challenging a bit in the context of a competitive context nowadays and regulation of each of the channel. However, we will restructure our thinking and apply it a lot in the future. Thank you.
Actually, it's very mean to us. So thank you so much for training and deliver all the helpful things to the marketing team, which one a lot of inspired and a lot of tip for us to apply on the market like MT, GT, and e-com. Thank you so much.
Free.
So basically, I feel like those tactics like fundamental framework for us. I know that it's very helpful for BOSM on GT, MT, but it's even more helpful on e-commerce, especially TikTok, when we do everything real time and we have to tap into the consumer behavior and nudge them to buy at the right time. So we'll deliver this for the agency team and revise all the live stream script, background, everything. So it's super practical.
Yeah, actually today, for today that we learn English U, so we learn a lot. Like is the number of nudges that I don't know before, but now that I have learned a lot, like 10 nudges that I'm not believing that we can apply in both MT, GT, or even e-com. So it's much more useful for me, and I feel it that day also. So thanks for the weekend.
This is a great workshop. Very engaging. I've learned a lot.
I feel it's really helpful, and we can apply it to our daily job. Thank you.
I think the workshop is really informative, combine theory as well as practical examples. So overall, I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
That is the best workshop I have ever taught, and thanks for valuable information. Thank you.
Free.
Actually, I think that this is really a meaningful section for us to apply the behavior of the customer to the BOS of GT, MT, and e-com. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Amazing, interesting. I don't think that me and other colleagues can be that creative until we discover the nurtured bias.
The workshop is very engaging, and it's really nice to know about the behavior of the nurture and how we can apply it to our promotional banner, especially for the BCC and the Facebook campaign.
How was the workshop?
Yes, it's interesting and helpful for me. I learned a lot and can apply the tactics and knowledge to my job.
Yes, I really enjoyed the workshop. So some of the knowledge is not new to me, but like the workshop make it like more easy to understand and how to process and how to connect them together. So I really enjoy it.
I think it's very good. You know, I think as marketeers, we are always in our desk, really inside our minds. I think this
It was very engaging, very informative. Chat helped us to really break down the pieces into really bite-sized information for us to take home. Recommended.
Okay, so I really think this session surprised me in a way that it's not giving me like a lot of aha moments, like I learned something new, but it's more like all this common sense, how do we structure it in a way that we can apply it easily in our day-to-day work. So I think that would be my biggest takeaway.
B.
Yeah, so I guess when it comes to the session, a lot of the things that we've kind of had an idea how it worked, there was a lot more structure, more processes in terms of how it worked, and I think there's more application and that there's more, we can put it more into words essentially, rather than just kind of concepts and ideas. So had a lot of fun in the sessions today.